So today we're going to be talking about dogs because they're the best, and there's a whole bunch of different kinds. I think there's probably hundreds of different breeds and hybrids of dogs. And we have three kinds of dogs. We have we have two schnauzers, we have a hound dog, a labradoodle, and then my sister, who lives in Norman, has a miniature pinscher. So I guess that makes four. Some people don't like certain dogs because there's a stigma that is associated with them, that they're aggressive or mean. But we'll get more into that. And then we will also talk about good and bad things about dogs. So let's go. So the first, the people are biased against certain dogs. Pit bulls, they are typically thought of as aggressive, mean. They are thought of as fighting dogs because some people do force their dogs to go to dog fights, and typically they are pit bulls. And that is actually according to a website that I found called list25.com. And then also German Shepherds. They also are thought of as really aggressive, but obviously they are really cute. They're one of the reasons that they're thought of as so aggressive is because they are in law enforcement uses them in their canine units because they behave really well and they are very obedient. Lastly, Chihuahuas. They are actually really mean. I have met a couple that are kind of nice and they like cuddles, but they are not nice dogs. The next is the most popular kinds of dogs. First, according to the American Kennel Club, the Labrador Retriever is the most popular purebred dog and they've been the most popular for I think the last 5 or 6 years. Another thing is golden doodles or labradoodles, which we have one. They are very expensive to buy straight from a breeder. They're really smart and they are super lovable. And then also the Pomsky. It's a mixture between a Pomeranian and a Husky. A lot of people like them because they are energetic and playful. They want the playfulness of the Husky, but they don't want the size. And that is also according to a website called Wide Open Pets. They're referred to as a designer mixed breed, which also means that they are really expensive. Next, good and bad things. Some dogs have a shorter lifespan than others. Larger dogs tend to have a shorter lifespan, and smaller dogs tend to live longer. It's not necessarily true for everything, but sometimes it just depends on the breed. Some dogs are very loud. They have very loud barks. I would like to cite right now my hound dog that is outside. She has one of the loudest barks that I've ever heard. It's very cute though. And then also some dog breeds are really smart. They, even without training, you can do simple tricks like sit, and they will sit, or they can come to you. They're really smart, especially with training. You can get dogs that will obey you no matter what, and they will love you forever as long as you're good to them. If you're bad to them, then they'll probably hate you, which is not a good thing. But all of our dogs that we have, from experience, mostly are really smart. They have learned simple commands and know mostly what we are trying to tell them, even without formal training. And so, in conclusion, these are my dogs. We love them very much. This is my dog. Those are our little schnauzers, and that is Izzy. She's the Labradoodle. She is a mess. She is so crazy, but she is so loving, and she always wants the attention. So basically, okay, sorry. Some people don't like certain dogs or breeds because of the negativity that's been placed on them through society and through maybe a bad experience that they've had. Other dogs are so popular because they are just really good generally to have. And lastly, there are some ups and downs of owning a dog, but dogs are the best and they will always be there for you. Thank you.